Okay, people, we are at Port Grand Turk, and the Carnival cruise ship The Breeze docked at a pier that is located south of Cockburn Town. The terminal is named Grand Turk Cruise Center, and it is a beachfront facility spanning over 780,000 square feet. So we won't be rubbing elbows with everybody. Now, this is a beach, people, so you're gonna see people out here surfing and skiing and snorkeling and parasailing and, doing what they do. But I'm gonna be out here on the beach hanging out with the Beacholians. Now, it's gonna be 101 degrees today, people. So I'm gonna try to hang around and take pictures of some pottery and arts and crafts and masks and whatnot until I can find me something to eat,
Yeah, right? That's a lot. Oh, there you go, man. There, get it. Okay, so we got the Grand Turk Beach. I'll be out here for a few hours, 3-4 hours. You got on all black. Because I could do that.
Now, when they said it was gonna be hot, it is hot. So what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and take some photos and let y'all enjoy these pictures and stuff, and I'm out. Okay, people, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and ring that bell so I can keep you posted with all new and upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.